I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com. Instead of making something today, I'd like to showcase some of my friends who are crochet or knitting designers. Today's featured artist is Marly Bird.
Hello everybody, my name is Marly Bird and I'm excited to be here today to tell you a little bit about my channel and myself. I want to start off by saying thank you to Donna for allowing me to do this introduction video. It is very kind of you to share it with your fans so that they can learn a little bit more about some other channels here on YouTube. I really appreciate it. Isn't Donna great, you guys? I love her videos. They're outstanding. All right, so about me. Well, I am a knitwear and crochet designer as well as a published author. I've been doing this for about 10 years now and I love it. I travel the country teaching knitting and crochet at different expos and conventions. I host the Yarn Thing podcast over on iTunes. It's a knitting and crochet podcast and we give away prizes and I interview guests and we have a great time doing that. And I am also the national spokesperson for Red Heart Yarns. Honestly, it's my dream job, you guys. It's so much fun. It's through this position that I have started my own YouTube channel. I kept it really simple. It's just the Marly Bird YouTube channel. And on there, you will find knitting and crochet videos to teach you how to become a better knitter and crocheter. I do technique videos, I do pattern videos, both for free patterns on redheart.com and free patterns on marlybird.com. Pretty simple, right? I've just started doing craft videos as well because sometimes I don't want to just knit or crochet. I want to loom, I want to weave, I want to do jewelry, I want to make stitch markers, right? As I throw them around. I want to have fun, just like many of you. I'm not just geared towards one craft. I like to do a bunch of different things. So on my channel, you are going to find enthusiastic videos, high quality, well put together instructions taught by somebody who is a professional in the industry. I hope you will take the time to come over and join me on the Marly Bird YouTube channel. You won't be disappointed. And while you're there, go ahead and smash that like button, as my kids say. And while you're here, smash Donna's like button because she is fabulous and she deserves every like she gets. Thanks, guys.
Thanks so much, Marly, for being a guest on my channel. Please be sure to check out Marly Bird on YouTube, as well as her website, where she has lots of other awesome goodies for knitters and crocheters. I hope this video has helped you. Be sure you are subscribed to my channel to get notified of new videos from me each week. Feel free to like and comment on this video. Check out the description or the info button of this video for more information. And please visit Naztazia.com for more tips and tricks on creative, self-sufficient living.